This Texas Tough on Ultra Sabers. I got in front of me my first lightsaber I bought from Ultra Sabers earlier this year. The Archon V3.1. It's got the consular green LED light in it. Flash on class, silver. It's just got the light sound, doesn't have the V3 or V4 soundboard. I also have some accessories I'm going to show you, put some different emitters on here and actually change out the LEDs. I got the quick disconnect. Just to show real fast the color of it. That's the consular green. The silver flash on clash noise. So that's the basic setup I ordered. And what I did was I've read online on the forums a lot before I ordered, and there was a lot of mentions of people being nervous about the thin neck when they're wanting to duel with somebody, hit the blade against another blade lightsaber. So I went ahead and also got the V2.1 emitter, so that when I do want to hit my blade against whatever, whether it be somebody's head or another lightsaber, I got the thicker neck. Got 3 kids, ordered them all lightsabers for Christmas. So basically, that's what I'm going to be doing with. So it's not a competition or anything like that, it's just for fun. So along with the V2.1 neck, I ordered a Arctic Blue Tricree that I can add to my saber. This way I can change the looks, not only with the emitter, but I can change colors also. And you got a couple clips on here, you just pull apart and you change the light. Now of course this is the Tricree, so it does not have flash on clash. So the only thing I'll be plugging in is the color here. This is my first time doing this, and I'm doing it on camera for y'all folks. So let's get this in and see if it works here. Get my neck screwed in. Alright, just stick the blade in and see what happens here. There you go. There it is. It is a beautiful color right there. Of course it doesn't have the flash. Not sure how that's picking up on camera, but it is beautiful. Alright. So there. Now, I have also ordered a different emitter that I'm about to put in, but I went ahead and I'm going to put another LED in here for that one. Now, like I've mentioned, I got my kids some sabers for Christmas. And out of my son's saber, he's got the amethyst, violet amethyst. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in for my next Hope you can see that in the camera. Put this in for my next emitter so we can get another look, totally different look. Slides in just like that. Okay. So one thing I liked about this hilt after I got it, I really wasn't sure until after I got it, was how short the actual hilt is. It's very small. And I figured that even though it's made for a classic look, I could add some different emitters and pommels to this thing and really make something different. You see here how short it is. So, first different emitter I'm getting here is the Menace. I'm going to add it on here. I figured with the black and the aluminum, it would match up perfect with the hilt. Not bad at all. The edges here are a little sharper than I thought. I mean, they're not going to cut you, but they're a little sharper than I thought they were going to be. One thing, when you order the V3.1, it doesn't come with a CoverTech wheel, and I don't want to add one either. So I ordered a pommel from the custom saber shop with the D-ring, so that when I take the pommel off that came with it, I still have a D-ring for the lightsaber. And I've ordered a couple of these now for other sabers also, and I really like them. And as you can tell, this is a very small pommel compared to the original, because I like small pommels. I figured this would go pretty neat with the Menace emitter. So let's put the blade in and see how it looks. That is nice. Alright, there you go. With the Menace emitter. I got my pommel from TCSS. Now the sound, I'm sure you can hear it, it's not as loud with the pommel that came with it. I'm okay with that. I really like the look of this. Very happy with it. I'll take some pictures also instead of just videos, so I can add that to the website. Maybe you can get a better look. And I didn't know this till I just opened this up from the mail. But you could actually flip this around, or even put it on without it, the little coupler. But you flip it around now. I have no idea what it would look like this, so let's try it out. Have a feeling the window's not going to show very well. You know, if somebody wants a different look, they can just do whatever they want to do. That's what's great about these sabers. So there you go. You can see some of the windows. Not as much, of course. There you go. It's not bad. Now you can see also the blade holder screws that I have taken out right now. Anyway, it's a quick look. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you see now what it's like to take out the quick disconnect LEDs. Thank you for watching.